South Goa District Police has recently solved a major house burglary case of Sankwal and multiple snatching case that have been reported in Vasco subdivision in a major interstate operation. The incident is such that in the intervening night of 21st and 22nd May 2023, a patrolling team of Vasco police station received a call that there is an ongoing house burglary in progress. Immediately the police team reaches the spot and they confront the accused who are involved in the house burglary. In an unexpected arrival of police, the accused, they fire supposedly 2 gunshots in air, and in that milieu they tried to run away. A major bombing operation was carried immediately with the help of sub-division team of Vasco police station, and the team was able to apprehend the bike that was involved in commission of offence. Now, after this, a thorough investigation was launched and it was revealed that the bike which was used in commission of offence was stolen from Manakotlam police station, and an FIR in this regard has been registered. Further, there were 3 incidents of snatching that have been reported, 2 in jurisdiction of Manakotlam police station and 1 in Varna police station, in which the same persons were involved who were involved in the house burglary case. Vital leads were collected through technical surveillance, local intelligence and valuable CCTV footages, as a result of which we were able to apprehend the first accused who is involved in this case. His name is Anas, his age is 22 years and he is a resident of Meerut. On further sustained investigation, we were able to find it out that these accused were basically from UP and Uttarakhand, and a massive interstate combing operation was launched, in which our team immediately were rushed down to Delhi and UP. The special team from Delhi police as well as UP police, especially from districts of Meerut and Muzaffarnagar, were taken into task, and with the joint operation we were able to apprehend the second major accused person who is involved in this house burglary and chain snatching. His name is Sajid, his age is 36 years and he is also a resident of Meerut. Our respected DGP sir has announced a reward of 25,000 for the team for working out on quick leads and solving this case in no time. Further, I would like to emphasize that during the investigation of Sajid, Sajid has revealed that their gang has been targeting other cities of our country as well. They have committed offences in Hyderabad, Mumbai and multiple cities in UP. Finally, they tried to target Goa, they committed offence, and now they are in police net. So we are also parallelly working and we are also sharing the information with these police stations and district police to share about the information, and in case they have committed offence there, so that can be verified and they can be taken into task in their case as well.